General trend. BKKT has been a wild ride, soaring from $9.95 on April 25th to a high of $25.68 on July 18th, closing at $21.62 on July 24th. That's a 117.3% gain from the April 30th low of $9.38, fueled by crypto market hype. However, a recent pullback from the July 17th peak, $24.67, suggests profit-taking, with the stock still above its 200-day EMA, $15.954, confirming a bullish long-term trend. Short-term consolidation is evident as it hovers near the 50-day EMA, $18.892. Price-volume relationship. Volume spikes correlate with price surges. The May 13th jump to $14.75 saw 3.67 million shares, far above the average of 513,000. July 2's climb to $18.63 had 2.18 million shares, and July 17's $24.11 peak saw 966,987 shares. The July 24th close at $21.62 with 391,288 shares, below average, indicates reduced momentum, typical of consolidation. High-volume days, e.g., 1.17 million on July 18th, confirm accumulation during uptrends. Moving averages. Here's the moving average snapshot. Short-term, the 5-day SMA, $23.074, and EMA, $22.641, are above the July 24th close, $21.62, signaling short-term bearish pressure. The 10-day SMA, $21.659, and EMA, $21.712, are closer, suggesting stabilization. Medium-term, the 20-day SMA, $19.137, and EMA, $19.699, are below the price, supporting bullishness. The 21-day SMA, $18.841, and EMA, $19.527, align similarly. Long-term, the 50-day SMA, $17.891, and EMA, $18.892, are well below the price, reinforcing the uptrend. The 200-day SMA, $15.274, and EMA, $15.954, confirm long-term strength. Technical indicators. Let's break down the indicators. Trend indicators. MACD, at 2.533, signal 2.301, histogram 0.232, it's bullish but narrowing, hinting at weakening momentum. ADX14, at 39.686, it indicates a strong trend, though recent consolidation may soften it. AREN up, 84.0, versus AREN down, 4.0, yields an oscillator of 64.285, strongly bullish. PSAR, at $25.68, above the price, it suggests bearish pressure in the short term. Momentum indicators. RSI 14, at 57.753, it's neutral, avoiding overbought territory. Stochastic, Stock K15, 77.400, and D15, 82.019, are high but declining, while Stock K5, 46.281, and D5, 61.012, suggest a short-term pullback. Williams percent R14, at -43.237, it's neutral, indicating room for movement. MFI 14, at 70.592, it shows strong buying pressure, though slightly off its peak. Momentum 10, at 0.800, it reflects modest upward momentum. ROC 14, at 19.381, it confirms a strong uptrend. Volume indicators. OBV, at 5.345 million, it's stable, supporting accumulation. Chaikin oscillator, at -164,662, it indicates mild selling pressure. Volatility indicators. ATR 14, at 2.474, it reflects high volatility, down from 2.698 on July 17th. Bollinger Bands, upper, $26.270, middle, $19.137, lower, $12.004. The price is between the middle and upper bands, indicating consolidation within an uptrend. Linear regression. The 14-day TSF, $24.470, is above the July 24th close, $21.62, suggesting BKKT is below its short-term trend line, potentially undervalued. The Coral 20 at 1.0 confirms strong trend consistency, but recent data points to consolidation. Estimated opening price for next trading day. With a July 24th close of $21.62 and an average opening price over the last 5 days around $21.97, the ATR of 2.474 suggests a July 25th opening between $19.146 and $24.094, likely near $21.80, assuming no major crypto news. Low volume, 391,288, on July 24th supports a stable open. Support and resistance levels. Support, $19.137, 20-day SMA, $18.892, 50-day EMA, and $15.954, 200-day EMA, are key floors. Resistance, $25.68, PSAR, and $26.270, Bollinger Upper, are immediate hurdles. Breaking $25.68 could target $28. Potential high and low levels, ATR based. Using the 14-day ATR of 2.474. High, $21.62 plus 2.474 equals $24.094. Low, $21.62, 2.474 equals $19.146 given the July 17th range of 4.871. A broader range of $18.50 to $26 is possible if volatility spikes, especially with crypto sensitivity. Possible scenarios. Bullish scenario. Breaking above $25.68 with volume above 513,000 could push BKKT to $28 or higher. RSI, 57.753, and AREN up, 84.0, support upside potential. Neutral scenario. Consolidation between $19.146 and $24.094, ATR range, with ADX, 39.686, suggesting a pause in the strong trend. Bearish scenario. A drop below $19.137, 20-day SMA, could test $18.892, 50-day EMA, or $15.954, 200-day EMA, especially if MFI, 70.592, weakens or Chaikin oscillator, minus 164,662, worsens. Conclusion. BKKT's 117.3% surge from $9.38 to $21.62 reflects crypto-driven momentum, but the July 24th close at $21.62 with low volume, 391,288, and a narrowing MACD histogram, 0.232, signals consolidation. The stock remains above its 50-day EMA, $18.892, and 200-day EMA, $15.954, confirming a bullish trend. RSI, 57.753, and stock K5, 46.281, suggest room for a bounce, while ATR, 2.474, indicates volatility. Watch $19.137 support and $25.68 resistance. Traders, play the $19.146 to $24.094 range and monitor Bitcoin catalysts. Let's ride this crypto wave.